students, in previous class we study about that the plant and structure of function. Correct? Yes. This chapter plant structure and function. In this chapter we study that the plumble, radicle, formation of root, what types of root there are, primary root, secondary root, root hair. Correct? Yes. After that we study about that fibrous root and taproot. Okay. So these are the taproot and these are the fibrous root. I remember that these are the fibrous root and these are the taproot. Okay. So you already studied that taproot and fibrous root. Is it? So yes. After that we study that the plant. Is it? So water level experiment of that. Just wait. Experiment of that. Is it? In this experiment you already studied that. So in today class we will see that steam. Okay. So what you observe the steam some plant or near to your location? Yes, you maybe observe that in steam near to your location, but you don't know exactly that's the steam. Okay, so steam have different part. Okay, the steam grow above the soil from the plumble of sprouting a seed. You know already about that plumble. Yes, plumble are the dividation of seed and some small plant-like structure grow above the soil. Or is it correct? Yeah. So I will show that plumble. Yes, this is the plumble. Is it? This is the plumble. Okay. So above structure is that is plumble. In radicle is below the inside the soil there is a radicle and above the soil there is a plumble. Okay. So the stem grow above the soil from the plumble. Okay, those stem grow where above the this layer, so that's called a stem. Okay, as a spot grow the length. Okay, just wait. Yes, as the spot grows the length, a stem gradually increases too. Okay, there are the nodes, stems, leaves come out the nodes. So here is the nodes, these are the nodes. Okay, this part is called the nodes. Okay, so where is the nodes present generally? Okay, yes. So these are the nodes. So leaf come out the at the nodes. Okay, there are the nodes on the stem, these are the stem and there is the nodes in come out the stems. Leaf come out the nodes, the part of the stem between two nodes is called internodes. So there is just two stem, this one is the stem and this one is stem. Is it correct? Or this one is the stem and this one is stem, and this part is called intermode. Okay, this part is called the intermode. The tip of the apical end of the stem is called bud. So tip means this part, is it? So above almost part is called a what? Bud. Or yes, typical end of the stem is called bud, is it? So these are the bud, or last more part of the stem is called a bud. Okay, just wait. So next, observe the branch of the any plant and identify the different part as the diagram. So what are the part used in this diagram? The first one is the leaf, this is the bird, this is the intermode, nodes, oh is it? And growing end of the birds is the also one of the types of bird. So you can study the detail one by one part of this all the part, is it? So here is a given that complete the chart you according to that sugarcane and prune green, that are the two plant. You can thickness of that, length of the internodes. Internodes means what is the internode? Internode means this part, is it? This part, this part is it called internode. In between the two leaves, that's called the internodes. Okay, so you can observe the according to that. So now next topic is that detailed study about the leaves. Here is the leaf part is given that, so you can study the leaf. What is the leaf? Okay, yes, you understood that the stem. First of all, what are the part of the stem? Internodes, buds, leaves, nodes, and yes, these are the main part of the stem. Okay, so next part is the leaf. So leaf grow from the nodes of the stem. So you already know that where is the leaf grow in this stem part, is it? Here is the stem part. You know that where is the leaf grow? Here is the leaf grow. Okay, above the stem part. Okay, or above the internode, there is the leaf grow is there. Is it correct? So where is the leaf present? Here is the different types of leaf. You already observe the different plant. You can observe the different types of leaf there. Okay, leaves are generally thin, flat, and green in color. So why the green in color leaf? Generally, leaf is green in color. Why? You already know that. Okay. Why? Because of there is a some part present or some, yes, chlorophyll is present, or which are the helpful for the photosynthesis process. Okay. So that's why their color is a green color leaves. Is it okay? Yes. So the broad spread out part of the leaf is called leaf blend. Where is the leaf blend? Leaf blend is, just wait, leaf blend is the broad spread out part of the leaf is called leaf blend. Okay, so these are the part, this, okay, just wait, these are the part is called leaf blend. Okay, so what is the speciality of leaf blend? There is a broad spread out means outside the side part of leaf is called leaf blend or lamina. This also is called lamina. Okay, this also is called a lamina also, leaf bed or lamina. Okay, so what is broad spread out? Broad means very large in size, spread out means outside there is a part of this called leaf blade or lamina. Okay, just wait. Okay, fine. So next, yes, lamina. Lamina is also leaf belt is also called lamina, and edges is called the leaf margin. And there is the edges. Where is the edges? We found that in this where we found the edges. Where is the edges found? With that, this one edges. Okay, this one edges is called a leaf margin. Okay, there is a margin from this, and here is the leaf blend. Where is that? This is a broad leaf bend. Okay, that's called leaf bend. So here is some different plant is leaf is given there, different part. Just wait. Okay, so different part, entire plant, dentate plant, lobate plant, different parts of their, yes, structure will be there given, is it? So the tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. The tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. The tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. So where is the tip of leaf is found? This one. Okay, this one, just wait, this one is called leaf apex. Okay, the tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. Okay, leaf apex, it may be tapering, pointed, or rounded. That may be, what will be there? Tapered means there is a tip like this. Okay, pointed means sharp will there. Okay, and they may be rounded means round shape will be there according to this. Okay, they'll be rounded, pointed, or tapering. Okay, these are the types of leaf. Okay, lip apex. Lip apex means the upper part of the lips. Okay, the next one is leaf. Leaves of the some plants have the stalk are called pedal. Okay, so what is there? Pedal. Where is that pedal present? Where is that pedal present? Here is in between the, yes, where is present, these are the pedal present with the sharply this, that's called a pedal. Leaves of the some plant do not have pedal. So some plant do not have pedal, like some here is example is given that, so that do not have the pedal also. Okay, do not have a pedal. The portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called leaf base. So where is the leaf base? Leaf base is the portion which is attached to the leaf base. The portion is attached to the portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called leaf base. Leaf base means basic portion of the leaf, or starting point of that leaf base is called a leaf base. Okay, so where is that? Just wait, I will show that. Here is the leaf base, this one. Okay, this one is a leaf base. Okay, so leaf base, where is the leaf base present is there? Yes, the portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called a leaf base. This is attached to the stem. This attached to the stem is called a leaf base. Okay. Yes, the small leaf-like structure may be present near to the leaf base. This is called stemple. Okay, so these are the, every plant is not present in there, but some plant may be present a stem plate here. Okay, the stem plate present is there, but some plant is present there a stem plate. Where is the stem plate present? The stem plate present, where is present? The small leaf-like structure may be present near to the leaf base. Where to the leaf base? This is the leaf base, and near to the leaf base stipules is present. Okay, so stipule is what? That near to the leaf base some portion is present, that's called stipule. So every plant do not have the stipule. Okay, the tip of the leaf. Okay, so do you see the stipule in all plant? Tell me that answer. You can observe near to your location the plant leaf, and you can observe that every plant leaf have the stipule or not. Yes. Okay, so according to your observation you can answer me. Okay, so leaves of the some plant have the single unidivided leaf blend. What will be there? Yes, the leaves of the some plant have a single unidivided leaf blend and single mid-ripe. Such leaves is called simple leaves. So some of the leaves have the single leaf bed. Where is the leaf bed? You already know that a leaf bed is there is a broad, like, yes, broad pointed with structures of that is called a leaf bed. So every the leaf of the some plant have the single, how there, the single leaf blade and single mid-rib. Such leaves is called simple leaf. Those, just wait, I will talk. Those having the single or, yes, single leaf blade, this is called a simple leaf. What you call that? Simple leaf. Simple leaf is what is simple leaf? They have the undivided leaf or blade, or undivided leaf blade and single midrib. Single rib means only one midrib will be present. That's called a simple leaves. However, the leaf blade of the leaves in some plant is divided into many small parts called leaflets. So some of them have the many leaf blade is present there, and that's called a leaflet. Such leaflets is called compound leaves. So such compound is what we call compound leaves. There is the two types of leaves there. One is the simple leaves and another is the compound leaves. Compound leaves have the many types of leaflet, and uh, single single or undivided leaflet is there, that's called a simple leaf. Okay, there are the two types of leaf. Yes, simple leaves and compound leaves. Okay, yes, the simple leaf and compound leaf, the simple leaf and compound leaf are the two main types of leaves there. So there is mainly two types of leaf there, so simple leaves and compound leaves. Okay, so after that observe the Observe a branch of plant like rose, neem, uh, carinier and hibiscus. Okay, these are the different types of plant branches. You can observe that. Okay, and discuss. Observe the branch of the plant like rose, neem, coriander and hibiscus. These are the different types of plant. You can observe their leaves and discuss with your friend. Okay, so that plant is maybe present in garden or near to your lake and surrounding. Okay, and different plant the different arrangement of leaves stem is different. It may be alternate, this one. Okay, maybe discrete or opposite or overlaid. Okay, according to that here is the showing diagram is that. Okay, so opposite means that here is the one side, this is exactly opposite the another leaf is there, so that is the opposite arrangement there. His alternate means one is here, other is here, means not exactly opposite but alternate means same side there will be alternate leaf will be present. Okay, so according to shape, leaves are rounded, plumate or lanceolate, linear, etc. So according to this, here will be different types of leaf arrangement is there. In box, draw the special leaf you have found. So you can found there near to your location any plant will be there. According to that, what types of leaf arrangement is there, and draw in your textbook with the help of pencil. Okay. Yes. Next is take yes, different types of leaf we have already given there. Take up people leaves and maize leaves. Okay, two types of leaf given. Observe them carefully. So what will be seen that? Okay, so you can see that the people leaf is divided into many equal parts and single midvein which lies along the mid lines of the leaf blade. So you can find that in people leaves there is a single what will be there, single. Okay, there is a single midvein is there, so here is the up, suppose here is the people and there is a single midvein is there, means inside there at the center there is a single midvein present is there. Okay, lies along the mid lines of the leaf blade, so mid line there is a leaf blade present. Okay, secondary vein arises from the mid veins, they are branch and from the network of reticulum, so they from the network. So you can observe your near to your location there is a people leaf, so you can observe that. Okay, they are branch and from the network of reticulum. On the other hand, in leaves of the maize, all the veins are parallel. So you can observe that here is the maize leaf plant leaf there. So you can observe that all the veins are parallel running from the leaf base. So here is the leaf base and running from this is all the leaves are parallel is there. Is it? Yes. Thus the people leaves blend has the reticulum ventilation and mother leaf and the parallel venation. So there is a venation of two types, reticulum and parallel venations. There is a two types of venation. What is the venation will be studied in later in higher standard, but I have observed that two types of venation will be there, means two types of arrangement will be there. Okay, yes. So we study the stem. So what is the stem? Stems grow above the soil. This is the stem grow the above the soil. It's called a stem. Okay. The next point is that the uh, the sprouting seed produces plumule. From the plumule there is a stem grow. Okay. So plumule from the stem will be grow. Is it? So next point is that the length of the stem gradually increases in the spot grow. Node on the stem are the point from the where the leaves come out. So where is the node? Nodes, here is the point, there is the stems or leaves come out. Here is the nodes. Okay, that's point come here to the leaf is come out. Okay, that's the point is called nodes. Next point we consider that between the two successive node is called internodes. So here is the nodes or here is a node, and that is part is called internodes. You study that. Okay, next the tips or the apical end of the stem is called the buds. So outermost or last part or end part or tip part is called a buds. Okay, so after that you study about the detail in the what detail study about the leaves. Okay, what is the leaf? Leaves arises from the nodes of a stem. So you already studied that where from the leaves come is there from the nodes. Generally leaves come thin, flat and green in color. So you already know that why the green in color, because of the yes chlorophyll present, pigment is present, and that related to the photosynthesis process. There is a thin and flat green color is present. So next point is that leaf blade. What is the leaf blade? Leaf blade or lamina is also called the lamina. Where is the lamina? The broad spread part of the leaf is called lamina. Next is the leaf margin. Where is the leaf margin? Leaf margin is the outermost part is there, so that is the leaf margin. The end of the leaf or types of leaf margin: entire, denoted or blotted. There is the three types of leaf margin. With entire means inside their leaf margin, denoted means the zigzag like leaf margin, or lobed means one lobe like type is the leaf margin. There is a leaf margin. After that a leaf apex. Leaf apex means the tip of the leaf, or that's called the leaf apex. After that petiole. Petiole is the stalk of leaves. Some leaves have the petiole, some do not have the petiole. Petiole means there is a near to the base leaf there is a yes baseless from the here. So here is a petiole is present, or everybody has not petiole. Here is a not petioles. Okay, so next is the leaf base. Leaf base is the starting point from here. It is called leaf base is there. Okay, after that is the staples. Staples is that near to the leaf base there is a staples present is there. There is a mainly two types of simple leaves and compound leaves. After that, yes, what is the compound leaf, what is the simple leaves, you study here. Okay, after that different types of branches you study that. Yes, alternate branches, discus branches, opposite branches or horizontal branches. After that we just study the difference between the people leaves and vase leaves. There is a mainly difference is that the people leaves ventilation is a what sorry ventilation. Yes, ventilation is the reticulum, or and ventilation is the parallel. What is the parallel? What is the ventilation? There is because of people leaves the almost leaf of the dicotyledonous plant, and mother leaves is the monocotyledonous plant. Means monocotyledonous plant means they have the single, yes, and dicos means double. There is the divisions of the seed will be there. Okay, and that will be studied, and their difference will be studied for us. Okay, yeah, these are the revisions for our yes.